very beginning, when we were at the inception of this Hotel Colombo Courtyard, we were looking at various options at that time. We looked at so much of waste happening in the industry, and nobody is bothered about the weather conditions, nobody is bothered about the environment, nobody is bothered about this. And that was a huge challenge. And when I was talking to my architect, she happens to be also an environmentalist, Sunila Javadana, and then we discussed that how can we overcome this kind of situation in this industry when we set up Colombo Courtyard. And we said we've had a lot of discussions over this. We looked at various different models, we looked at various different alternatives, and we finally decided, yes, we need to go this route, even though it was a bit more expensive for us, it was more sustainability was a bit of a question mark at that stage. But we took this a very conscious decision to go in for a very environmentally green hotel at that time. Primarily it was because of the waste which we have seen. I've been in the hotel industry for a very long time, and I know that a huge amount of waste goes into this industry, which nobody is even attending to, nobody is even looking at it. They just every hotelier today is looking at making doubling, tripling the profits. That's it. They're just not concerned about the environment. That was the reason that why we made a concerted effort basically to get into this green hotel. From a marketing point of view also, it helped us quite a lot. This was something new concept. We were the first hotel in South Asia, a city hotel in South Asia, which was green, which was the whole foundation was laid basically to be a green hotel. And it helped us in a long way basically going green, and our customers have started over the period of time. It has been, of course, a difficult journey, but they have now started appreciating the efforts which we have done here. They are appreciating the kind of service and around the green atmosphere which we have provided them here. So it has really been a very good experience for us. A lot of customers who were asking for whether do we have a certification or not. So it really helped in our business with the certification from Carbon Neutral. When we received our first certificate, I remember we called press, we called a lot of our clients over here, and they were all kind of shocked that how we have gone through this certification process, and everybody appreciated, everybody gave us huge mileage with this carbon neutral certification, which was a plus point for both Colombo Courtyard as well as carbon neutral both. In the beginning, it was a challenge. A lot of the customers didn't understand. It was a education process for us as well as for the customers also. But some of the customers who were aware of what's going on in the environment, who are quite conscious about these things, they started appreciating the efforts. They started liking when we explained them that in this hotel, how we have from the very beginning built, even the chairs we are sitting on here are made out of recycled paper. So they all have started appreciating the efforts. And many of the customers, we have now repeat clients who come to the hotel only because we are carbon neutral certified green hotel. Oh, has been a very pleasant experience, and I must congratulate the CCC team. They are doing an absolutely marvelous job. It's a fantastic step they have taken forward in going from various industries to take them to green, spreading the whole message about the challenges in the environment we are facing today. Look at what is happening over there in USA with Harvey and Irma, the destruction which is taking place with change of the environment. And I think the efforts of CCC are absolutely commendable.